What's up, family? Welcome back to another episode of the No Niche Neighborhood. And this is Queen Bee calling to let you know we have exactly 24 hours to turn into a baddie before we catch our flight for this trip. So we're going on an adventure today to get prepared. We have lots of things to do as far as our beauty maintenance goes and just making sure we're all packed up and ready to go. So come with me. Come with me. Y'all can come as get ready with me vlog day. Ooh, that henna turned my hair so red, y'all. All my grays at the front, they're red now. Anywho, we're about to run around and drop off. Actually, I read a quote right before I left out of the house. It said, "Je suis plus fort que je ne pense." And I honestly think I needed that today because, like, the strength that the black woman needs just to be able to make it through each day, I give y'all all the props. All the props. Like, it's so hard out here, especially when you have no support. Like, you're doing everything all on your own. Power to y'all. Okay, so that quote definitely stood out to me. It means I'm stronger than I know, right? So we can do hard things. That's my affirmation for today. I can do hard things. I can. And even if you have to rock steady and rock steady alone, boo, you got this. All right. So we're going to go ahead. Y'all know I got to go ahead and get my Starbucks to get the morning popping off, my matcha per day. And then I do have some clothes I wanted to drop off to the women's shelter. I've been doing that a lot more lately too, finding reasons to donate things that I know I'm no longer going to use. So I've got some clothes to drop off to the women's shelter. Last week, I think I donated some extra pet food that I know my cat won't use. And I had some dog food too. Lying around. I don't know where that came from, but I took that to donate. Just donate what you can, give what you can, you know, give thanks in these difficult times. It's hard out here for everybody, y'all. So just try to do what you can to make a difference each day, even if it's just showing up for yourself and your best capacity that you can. All right, that's my word of encouragement. But I'm still going ahead and getting my nails done as well. I just wanted to make sure I do those things first. Oh, and I also have to stop by Walgreens and the beauty supply store because I'm thinking I'm probably gonna just end up doing my own nails. I do want to still get my toes done. I always get my toes done, but I have some press-on nails that I think will look really cute for the 4th. So I think I'm gonna do that. And my hair. Lord, help me. All right, come on, we're going. Hey, so I actually just got finished getting my nails done. I decided to just go ahead and get them done. And y'all know this is the braider nail special with the 2 pointy nails. And then I got coffin in the middle. So I just got my nails done, got my toes done. That felt so good. Self-caring is the best thing you could do at least once or twice during your week at minimum. Okay, at minimum, honey child. But we're about to run on over. I still need to go to Walgreens, possibly the hair store, and we're dropping off the clothes to the women's shelter right now. So let's go. Phone may be overheating, but okay, here's the big old bag. I've got a big bag full of clothes, and honestly, this won't be the last. Mission accomplished. So we dropped off the bag. It was real simple and easy, y'all. That's just a gentle reminder, right? Do what you can in these days and times to give back, give thanks, right, for what you do have, because that's how you have that positive energy return. You just always want to be grateful and sitting in gratitude, and just never forgetting, you know, the small ways that you can contribute. And just because, right, like tomorrow is the 4th, so I know I have a billion and one things I need to be doing, but I just really had that on my heart. Girl, you know you ain't never gonna wear this stuff, so go ahead and take it. And there was some nice stuff in there too. I did. I gave some really nice stuff. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and run around. I have to actually go to the vets for Louis and drop off his he got like a full wellness check, so I have to drop off this stool sample. Lord have mercy, icky. But anyways, and then I'm gonna head to the Walgreens and finally maybe the hair store. I may be able to find what I want in the Walgreens so I don't have to go there. And then we going back home to handle his head, because Lord of mercy, okay. I need to go ahead and get to crunch time. It is currently 4:35. So hopefully that doesn't take me all more than, I'm hoping more than an hour to get back home and get started on this head, y'all. All right, come with me. You're still coming with me. We're doing good. Hey family, so it's currently 9 p.m. We have not started at all on our hair. Not to worry, I have a plan. I'm gonna put in these little curly bob pieces and do like just some single braids. I don't want them too long though, so I'm hoping the hair that I have, it's pre-stretched hair. Maybe this might make you go fast. I don't know. Let's see. Pray for me, y'all. I got a big old head. So we're gonna get started, and I'm just going to pre-part because I feel like that always makes stuff go faster, no? All right. And, oh, here it is. Just looking for my parting gel. Yes, ma'am. All right. I'm gonna sit here, finish my parting, and once I get all the sections parted, I'll come back and show y'all. All right, y'all. It's about going on 11:45. Took me 2 hours just to part the back. Don't ask me why, child. I had other stuff I was doing, so it took me longer than I had planned. But I'm going ahead and getting started on parting the front, and I think once all the parts are in, the braiding will go super, super fast. So bear with me, bear with me. Final reveal coming soon.